In this digital age and increased connectivity, it is quintessential to build a strong professional network to succeed. A strong network helps you to advance in your desired industry and provides access to new and fresh opportunities. Networking is the exchange of ideas and information which involves interacting and connecting with other people for mutual benefit, often in an informal social setting. It is a powerful and inexpensive way to explore opportunities with stakeholders and participants of an industry and its interconnected fields. Networking groups provide a platform for members to exchange ideas, insights, and experiences. Engaging with professionals in a similar or complementary fields can lead to the acquisition of new knowledge and expertise. A study conducted by McKinsey found that 81% of professionals believe networking is essential for career development. By attending conferences, seminars, and industry events, you will learn from experts, stay updated with industry trends, and broaden your horizons. Networking is also an excellent tool for professionals and business owners to both access and create opportunities, facilitating the exchange of values. By networking, you can expand your circle of acquaintances, increase your visibility in the industry, learn about new job opportunities, have access to mentoring from senior experienced professionals, and keep up to date with the latest news and trends in your industry. In order to meet new people, it is important to step out and attend events, but simply showing up is half the battle. When in attendance, try to chat and mingle with new people. Discuss common topics and try to find a common ground that will serve to form a valuable, authentic connection. You can find information about such events on social media platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn. You can also reach out to your alumni network and events, or get in touch with your contacts to remain informed of the latest events. Networking can seem daunting, especially for introverts. However, it is important to overcome this fear to achieve success in networking endeavors. Even if you don't feel as confident internally, be sure to remain calm, collected, and maintain a confident demeanor. Be self-assured, stand straight, maintain eye contact, shake hands, smile, and be your authentic self. Before going out to network, try to understand your aim in attending such events and figure out how much money and time you can spend realistically to participate. Get clear on what talents, strengths, skill sets, and connections you can bring to the table. Map out what you want to talk about and how you can help others, either now or in the future. Even if it sounds off-putting, creating an elevator pitch will smooth out the awkwardness of new conversations and help you be more confident. Craft a 30-second speech consisting of your personal information and business interests. Include 3 key points to help others understand your perspective. If needed, write down the pitch in a document and update timely. Practice your speech delivery to be more efficient in forging connections. Seasoned networkers will be able to sense the stench of desperation from a mile away. When networking, instead of asking how the other party can benefit you, ask yourself what you bring to the table. Be open, friendly, and honest. Be a good listener and make sure that you communicate your availability to help them out if and when needed. A great way to establish a meaningful connection is by exchanging business cards. Create a memorable and attractive business card with proper contact information so that your new connections can reach out to you. Make sure to exchange business cards with prospective contacts. However, never forget the adage, quality over quantity. Your main focus should be forging meaningful networks, not racking up as many business cards as you can. Use LinkedIn to connect with your professional peers across companies within your industry. After the event, do not hesitate to send out a nice thank you message or email to the contacts as a follow-up. If you have been able to establish common ground, message them once a month with interesting news and other links on said shared topics EX. It can also be a good idea to arrange meetups occasionally with these contacts. Most importantly, Do not forget to follow through on any promises made. You can also use social media to join different networking groups to attend their events. It is especially important for new professionals to feel empowered at networking event. It can sometimes feel easier to stick to the people you know at an event rather than to approach a stranger and strike up a conversation. A great approach to avoid this issue is to scope the room, remember your purpose, and use the buddy system to approach new people. When using the buddy system, it allows both individuals to have more confidence when starting to network because they can lean on each other while still being able to meet new people. Remember, there are many ways to network, and some events might work better than others for you depending on your personality and your overall expectations. There are also events that will provide a more specific purpose of networking than others. So it is always important to note how the events went to determine if they are worth your time in the future. It is great best practice to touch base internally with whoever went to the event to get their feedback. Who did everyone meet? What did they enjoy at the event? Were there any important follow-up tasks post-event? What was the overall outcome? Having a quick internal conversation post-event can increase the value of your networking activities because you will remember who to follow up with. And as previously mentioned, weigh whether you would like to attend again in the future. The power of networking is undeniable. By building and nurturing professional connections, you can tap into the hidden job market, unlock new business opportunities, acquire knowledge, find support, and enhance your confidence and communication skills. Research positively positions networking as playing a vital role in career development and success. And I would urge you to actively invest time and effort into building and maintaining the right professional networks.